reception!
Hello guys!
Excited? So pagising ko, nagbihis na din ako guys kasi sasama kami ngayon. Kaming lahat. So ito yung snack box niya. Nilagay ko na yung watermelon dito kahapon. Kasi nag-cut ako ng watermelon. They wanted watermelon last night. So yung mga maliliit nilagay ko na lang dito. Tapos tagdagan ko to ng apple. So this is her brain food. Do you want your apples peeled, Ayla? You want it peeled? Ito, sinasanay ni Daddy ng peeled yung apples nila. Ngayon, request ng peeled. Sabi ko, mas madali kung hindi peeled. Dire-diretso ka. Hello, what do you want for brekkie? Ate's having toast. How about you? Sandwich? Try na natin to. Yeah, malaki kasi to. Try natin. Actually, it's not bad. Hindi level yung apple. That's actually good. Yeah, tabingi yung apple, but that's not bad. Yun lang. The cleaning. That's alright. Ayla will have ham and cheese croissant for lunch. In the morning you will have a break and you open only this, the small one, okay? That's for the morning break. And you have apples and watermelon here. See?
Can I try this one?
I have watermelon in the fridge. I can give you that. Yeah, after.
Mom, we can write that.
Yeah. And then lunch. Yeah, lunch break you have this, okay? Eat all your food, okay?
But one says 3 months.
No, it's not too much.
Well, I don't see
But just enough. And look at this, baby. I'll put your yogurt here, okay?
Wow! I'm Mona!
I'll put it here.
Cool and fat.
See? Super cool. It's sticking out, so just grab it, okay? Easy. Our Octa's uniform. Someone is awake. Someone is. Oh, she's so excited.
What about in my lunchbox? Guys, I was in preschool.
You were, yeah.
I was in preschool, now I'm going in reception because I'm growing up. And 3 days I'm going to be 5.
Yeah, it's gonna be 5 days now.
And then I'm going to be 6.
No, you're gonna be 5.
After 5 I'm going to be 6.
Oh yeah, after 5 years.
But that's not for a long time.
That's right.
Because you will be fired. Because I do this orange with sticky tape. Now it's fire. Blah, blah, blah. Want to be fired? Okay.
Indy loves your uniform.
You're orange. The office playing. Where the police? Where in the store book? Down my bread, down my prize. Making my matched on the ceiling. Down my prize, down my prize.
She's clapping. Say good job, ate. Good job, ate. The socks made it. Ang aga naman ng delivery. Bumili kami ng tights kahapon kasi wala kang available na knee-high socks kahit saan. So, in-order ko siya online. Is this navy? Yeah, that's navy. It's just really dark. 4, 5. What? This is size 2 to 4. No, this is not what I want. I need 4 to 6. Is this what I ordered? No, this is too small. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this weather. It's raining.
I see in the news.
Yeah, baka hindi na kami sumama.
Mom, should I see in the news?
Will it be in the news? Suot na niya yung jacket. It's really bad, the weather. I know, we will get wet. And Indy, nah, it's too hot. Oh, what a chaka first day. It's been actually raining whole night last night. Nah, I think si Daddy na lang. Ay, naku.
Mommy?
We might not go, babe. The weather is really bad.
Yes, bring on the
Yeah.
You can drop her off tomorrow if you want.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll drop you off tomorrow, baby.
Daddy's
Okay?
raining, Dada.
But no kids because it's too hot. You can bring umbrella. Iniisip ko si Indy. May sipon na nga ako ngayon. I'll drop you off tomorrow, baby. Naka-ready na ako. You finish your food? You did? Well done! So boys' school starts next week, okay?
Mama,
So you don't go to school yet.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Where's the lawn at nighttime?
Indy!
Mama,
Do you want to give that to her now? Do you know how to give it to her?
Here you go, Milana.
Let's go, guys.
Yep. Yeah.
Arlo ready?
Yeah. Yes.
Indy ready?
Do you want that?
Daddy. Daddy. No drinks are
Daddy
allowed.
ready, yes.
Mama,
What?
do you know eating coffee in car is not safe?
It's because it's really hot. Daddy's being careful though. He needs his coffee.
Why?
Speaking of coffee, I didn't get to finish my coffee.
You did?
No, I did not.
What?
Mauna na kami sa'yo,
What
Daddy.
if in a car crash?
Hmm?
But what if you guys in a car crash?
Oh, hopefully not. Daddy's being careful.
I
Guys,
want
obviously
that
it cleared
song.
up.
You don't talk,
It's not
Daddy.
raining anymore, so we're going.
Mama,
Kami na
can you
talaga.
add someone?
Sorry?
Can you put any someone?
So tayo na talaga ang sama-sama lahat.
Mom, what is this?
Oh, that's a button. So we have to go in separate cars kasi merong appointment si Daddy na 9:45.
What's my teacher's name again?
Mrs. Cools.
Should I, Mrs. Cruz read first and then I will read?
Yeah.
I can just read easy books, Mom.
Yeah, you
But that
can.
one wasn't just easy.
Mhm.
It was. I messed up sometimes, and then I followed the letters, and then I narrowed it.
Oh, look how busy the road is. Back to school. Si Daddy, ewan ko naman dito si Daddy natin. Ay, para talaga. Panganay ko talaga yan.
You got to school.
Paulit-ulit tayo, 8:45, 8:45. Nasa utak niya, alas 9. Sabi ko, ikaw talaga. Kasi nakaano pa siya, nakahubad pa siya kanina. Ready na lahat ng mga bata. Sabi ko, chill niya, oh. Sabi niya, it's 9, is it? 9 ka dyan. 9 ka ng 9. Hi, are you excited, ate?
Yep.
I'm so excited for you. You're gonna learn some reading.
I already learned some reading, Mom.
I know. But you're gonna learn more reading. Yes, baby?
I need the bubble.
You need the bubbles?
Yes.
Your school starts next week, remember?
Yes. Summer and Miss Nana not give me bubble.
She will, she might.
Not
We'll see.
She might in your birthday when you're turning 4. Will she, Mom? And my
Yeah.
birthday is Spider-Man. And there's no Miss Natty.
So yeah, si Arlo, pwede na siya mag-start anytime. Pero ipastart namin siya next week, guys. Para
Yeah.
this week is about
I'm
Ayla
crying.
lang. Oh my gosh, thank you, Lord, for clearing up the weather for us. I'm trying to remember, did I forget anything?
Where's my bag? Where's my water bottle?
Your water bottles on the side of your bag. And the bag tags, you're gonna give it to Addison and Liana, yeah?
Yeah, I remember.
You'll remember. It's on the side pocket, yeah? You put it there?
Mommy?
Good. Yes?
When do you think they're gonna be there?
We'll be there in
Late.
less than 5 minutes. No, we're not late.
Daddy, I don't wanna be late.
Yeah, I don't want to be late either. No one wants to be late.
You want it like that? Indy's clapping. She
She-
loves that.
She loves school. She's been so excited for you this whole time.
In 400
She loves
meters, red
you.
light and speed limit camera ahead,
And
60
Indy?
kilometers per hour speed limit.
Indy, we will drop off Kuya next week for Kuya's first day of school.
Yeah, and then when you're free,
Yes?
you're gonna be in preschool.
Aw, little kids going to preschool. Ayla, that was you, baby.
Hey. Let's see Dad.
That's Daddy.
I see him.
Yep, that's good. Daddy's coming to help us.
Could we on separate class?
Separate cars, yes. Can you please help Ala with the seatbelt, baby? This is really big deal. Yes, babe.
No, Mommy's allowed here.
No, mommy's allowed here.
Yeah.
Akala niya talaga ida-drop off ko na siya. Tapos paalisin na
Mommy's
niya
trying
ako.
to come in. Are you, Mom?
Yeah, and then drop you off.
Mommy?
Proper drop off, mate.
No, Mommy's just coming.
Okay. Aw, so cute. Aw, Bob. Alright, let's go. Your name, babe?
Okay, so your bag goes at the bottom.
Goes at the bottom, okay?
That sort of stuff.
Oh, yeah.
The nice hand.
Aw. Oh, so cute! Ang cute ng mga bata.
Mommy,
Hmm?
I have some money.
Oh, you have lots of money?
Yeah.
Me. No, I don't know about that. Ah, that was good, guys. That was good. Arlo next week. Am I ready for that? I'm not sure about that, but
Mommy,
we will see. Ay, sana
Mommy,
dinala ko yung... Ay,
play
nako naman.
sports?
Sorry?
please.
You play sports on Friday. Yes, sports is back this week. And then next week, you're gonna start school. Huh?
Sport is dark.
Dark?
No, you're.
Locked?
Yeah.
Oh, at the moment it's locked. Yeah, it's closed at the moment. It will open this Friday. Okay?
Oh.
That's exciting. Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. I'm gonna make homemade crackers for my kids. So one is yung parang goldfish crackers. We don't have goldfish here in Australia. I think it's more of like an American thing. But it's cheese flavored, so I think I'm gonna like it, and hopefully Ayla likes it as well. The other one, I will be making like a peanut butter banana crackers. Kaya lang yun, hindi yun pwede pang school. Yeah, kasi meron ako nag-iisang banana dito. The ingredients are very easy, so I'll do the goldfish crackers first. Pinalo ko lang tong TikTok na to, Abby Weber Sloan. So you need 1.5 cups of flour, parang 1 cup of cheese, and then 80 grams of butter. So yung butter, kinat ko into cubes. Siguro slowly incorporate ko lang yung ano. Wow, slowly incorporate yung flour kasi wala akong space. 1.5. So maglagay muna ako ng... Why? What do you want? Yes. Dahan-dahanin ko lang to. So, yun lang yung ingredients. Oh, tsaka garlic powder lang. I-try ko lang tong i-mix together. Ay! Uy, in fairness, ang galing ha. Na-mix niyo yun. Ay, in fairness. In fairness, girl. Just wait, India. Ay, ang galing nun. Dagdagan ko na lang yung cheese. Sobra-sobra na yung cheese, but I like it cheesy, so let's add more. Garlic powder and then salt. So that's garlic powder. Alright. I-mix ko lang to, tapos i-mix natin lahat. Well, ano na tong itsura ko, guys? Ay, ito na naman tayo. Hindi ko na naman alam kung bakit ko to ginagawa sa aking self. Matrabaho siya. Kapag kasi nanonood ka ng TikTok, ang dali-dali lahat. But, it's alright. Napasubo na ako. So, here I am. But, nandito na tayo sa molding process. And Daddy's home. He's on the phone. He's busy. He's talking to the agent ng bahay na tinignan natin kahapon. So, nag-offer kasi kami kahapon. Kagabi, actually. Well, kahapon, kagabi, kanina. Kasi pa-increase yung offer. Oh my gosh, ang cute. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look at this, Ala. Hopefully it bakes well. Look at it. It's so cool. Wow.
Mommy, I'm gonna put ice.
You wanna put ice?
Your eyes.
Aww. You wanna make it harder for mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing there?
I am molding it.
That's my snack.
That is your snack. You can take this to school. There's no nuts in this one.
That's tasty.
Is it?
Mama,
Yeah. Is it tasty, Indy?
I just took it, Mommy.
Hinahype ako ng mga anak ko. Pati si Indy, hinahype ako. Uy, Indy. I know. Do you
Mommy,
like
I got
it?
another one.
No. Okay, don't eat it, ha? It's not cooked yet. It's not ready. I'll let you play. Hi, Indy. Shh, Indy. Daddy said. Ah, do you want to play with the fish? Look.
No, you can buy this. No, you can buy this, Mommy.
Fishy! Oh, cutie! I'll give it to you later, okay? Just wait, okay? I can't give it to you, babe. It's raw.
And it's bigger.
Oh, she wants it. When she's bigger, yes. We can give it to her when she's bigger.
Yeah, she's only 20 now.
She is only tiny now.
And I'm taller than Indy.
You are taller than Indy. Much taller.
And I can play this now.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
You are happy? Oh, that's good.
I'm playing.
Indy, just wait.
That's
Wow.
my
Is
snack.
that going to be pulled back?
How much is our offer now?
Now we're 900, and he's
Okay.
got to speak to one more person. That's big. There's 3 offers up around the mark, like us and 2 others. I think there's the other ones are subject to finance and stuff like that.
Daddy!
We're unconditional.
Did my
We're
snack.
better.
We're better, but we're gonna have to up the ball if we want it.
Mama,
Just do it.
I'm so happy, Mommy.
You're so happy. That's good.
I don't think we're gonna get the commercial one. I
Wait,
spoke to my client
I made
today,
the fizzy.
and he's having another agent look at it to give an opinion.
Really?
I know the other agent. He goes, "Well, why supposed to get like an opinion on price?"
Mama,
He's not going to sell it for the other agent. I don't think he is. But the other agent's going to look at it. I know the other agent's going to come back to him with probably a 1.4, 1.5 mark.
Really?
Yeah. That commercial one, we can go up a little bit higher as well. We can
Yeah.
go up to, we probably can go up to 1.25 maybe.
Hopefully what I'm making you will like, Ale. This is cheese.
Hello.
And you can take this to school. Guys. Ang bango ng aming bahay. Ang bangong cheese. Mainit pa to. Kailangan pa siyang iparest para malamig siya. Dapat kainin siya ng malamig. But it looks really cute. Oh my gosh, that's good. Oh my gosh, yum. Ang sarap. It's hot, so just wait, okay? My gosh, kung hindi ito magugustuhan ng mga kids, I will eat this. That's yummy. I will blow it. Alright, this is first batch done. Mainit pa siya, guys. Kinuha ko lang siya kasi meron akong second batch na naghihintay. Iba naman yung shape nun. Flowers. Ang cute. Yan. So, yung mga molds na yan, nabili ko lang to guys sa Shein. Ito. Tapos, meron pa ako natira dyan. Alright, let's do this. Flower naman. Actually, yung matrabaho na part is yung pag-mold. So, pwede lang naman i-cut to into squares. Like pizza cutter lang. Bilis lang nun. Ganon-ganonin mo lang. But gusto kasi pa shape-shape. Yung iba makakapal, so I'm just pressing it as I go. Pero ang sarap. Yun yung importante. Ang sarap. It has that cracker texture as well. Much better pa nga.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you.
It was almost there. Almost there.
Ay, laway mo, boy. Try first.
No,
It's cheesy. You like it?
I'll take it.
Cheesy. Do you want me to put this in your lunchbox?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now.
Now?
Yeah.
Okay. Grab one more.
Two.
Up to you. You can grab more if you want.
One.
Yeah, sige. Aww.
One.
Okay. Alright, finish that first. Oh my gosh, look at the fishes! So cute.
That, Mama.
Yeah?
That then only one more.
One more.
Only two more.
Okay.
Another
Oh my gosh. That's a lot.
one. Two.
Oh my gosh, it smells really good.
And one more.
Nah, no more. No more. You have to eat that first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You've got 8.
Yeah. I eat all of it.
Is it swimming in your mouth?
Yeah.
Mmm, so good.
We need to swim. It's another one.
That can swim in your mouth too.
Look at my watch. Mommy,
Yep.
then swim to mouth watch. I'll be your mouth, Mama. Mommy, you good thing.
Oh wow.
No. What is Mama?
Alright guys, madaliin natin to. Yung second recipe, my goodness. Ito yung may peanut butter. So, isang banana, 1 tablespoon ng peanut butter, and 1 1/4 cup ng flour. Yun lang. Halo-halo mo lahat, tapos i-oven mo. So, yung second batch ko, medyo nasunog kasi pinapatulog ko si Inde. Tingnan nyo. Masarap pa din siya, but mas okay yung kanina. Yan. Feeling ko ako kakain yan. But, madiliin ko lang to guys habang tulog ng aking Inday. Si Arlo, dinala ni Daddy. Pick up nila si Ate Ayla. Hindi ko na to imo-mold. Medyo matagal yung pag-moldy-moldy. How's school, babe? Come on, tell me about it, please. Hi, baby. Oh, shoes off, please. Thank you. Come here. Talk to me about school. Come on. How was it? How was school? Good? Did you have to pee? Was it easy? Aww. Was it easy for you to pull your tights down?
Well,
Yeah? So you're okay wearing tights? Did you give Addison her...
yeah.
And how about Liana?
She was your wife.
Sorry?
She was a
I know, so where's her name tag? Oh, first day of school! saw Addison come in. Tingnan niyo yan siya. Tatanggalin niya agad yung tali niya sa buhok. Agad-agad. So, magulo na agad yung buhok.
Yes.
Uy! Let me know what you think. It's cheesy fish.
Yummy.
I made it. Do you want it for your lunch tomorrow? Okay. I have another one actually. Ito pala yung ginawa kong yung may peanut butter. Hindi to pwede sa school. Hindi pwede may peanut sa school nila eh. Kahit nga may traces lang ng peanuts, hindi talaga pwede. So, dapat i-check talaga yung ingredients ng yung mga packet snacks na pinapadala sa mga kids. Hindi pwede yung may traces of nuts. Hindi naman sila nag-share ng food. Hindi ini-encourage na mag-share sila ng food. But just in case ba. Kasi may ibang bata na severely allergic to peanuts. We are very lucky na walang allergic sa kung ano-ano yung mga bata namin. So far, wala pa naman silang allergies. So this one stays home. Masarap din to, but hindi kasi ako mahilig sa peanut butter. So, mas gusto ko talaga yung cheese na snack. So, ito yung itsura nung brown at saka yung kanina. So, ito yung ipapadala ko sa mga bata. Kasi ito taste mo talaga yung medyo may pagkasunog na konti. Try that.
Is that fish?
No, that's not fish.
What is?
Try. Try it first. It's got peanut butter and banana. Ayaw din ito ng peanut butter.
Not banana.
Huh?
Not chicken. Oh, that's like the fish one.
You like the fish one. That's good.
Not this one.
Not that one? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Alright, they don't like this. Fair enough. I don't like it either. Yan lang yung problema. Pag nagtatry ka ng mga bagong snacks, nakakapagod. Tapos hindi nila magugustuhan. Okay lang. Kakain si daddy nito. Alright. Guys, nakalimutan ko pala to i-vlog. Wait, kailan ba kami nag-Costco? Nung linggo. Bumili ako nito. Well, gusto ko bumili kaya lang hindi ako pinabayad ng Uncle Docs. Meron lang Uncle Docs sa malapit sa Costco, guys. Yung Sugbaan by LNR noon. Sa mga taga-Adelaide dyan, you know where Sugbaan was? Nandun na ang Uncle Docs. Sa pagkakaintindi ko, hindi sila permanent doon. But meron silang dine-in takeaway doon, guys. So if you're interested, check it out. Meron din sila sa Uber Eats. Chinek ko siya eh. So, sa Prospect area, nandun ang Uncle Docs. Meron silang chicken, meron silang burger steak, mga lumpia, yung parang kagaya ng menu ng Jollibee. And meron silang baked spag. Ito lang yung binili ko that time kasi I wanted something na ready agad-agad because the kids were waiting in the car. But it looks like that. So, ito yung dinner namin. Kids are still eating. Ubus na yung akin. Wipe. Okay. Hindi din. Tapos na din kumain. Hello. Yes. Hey. Here. Your water's there.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. TV off. Come on. Shower time. Come on, Ayla. Off, please. Off. Thank you. Let's go. You wanna shower? Yes. Yeah. Good luck. Tatlo yung papaliguan ko. Let's go. Come on. Wala pa si Dan, guys. But kailangan ko na itong paliguan itong mga to para makatulog ng maaga. Thank you, Koys. Bring your water bottle.
Yeah, yes.
You're taking mommy's. Thank you. How about yours, Ayla? Is that filled with water or no? Yeah, we will refill the water bottle para hindi na tayo bumalik sa baba. Alright, come on. Is it full still? I'll just refill Ates. Alright, good night, guys. Thank you sa panonood. See you tomorrow. Bye.
So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by.